Shit show lesson of the
I was
week.
just in the middle of taking a shower. A lot of people out there that have wells don't know a lot about their well. The water just shut off. We've been getting a lot of rain lately, so more than likely, there's probably ants on your points. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at them. So if your water ever shuts off, the first thing you want to check is this bad boy. And this is the reason why the water shut off. See it trying to arc? Look at them burning those ants up. You want to make sure you use something plastic. But should have water now. I'm gonna have to get some ant spray tomorrow. That's your redneck lesson of the day. Probably tighten that up, but I'll probably go back off before the night's over, so many ants are on there.